Hello friends, welcome to Study Viral channel. In this video I am going to show you how to install NetBeans, the latest version of NetBeans on Windows 10. First of all we have to go to our Google, and in Google we have to type NetBeans. Then go to NetBeans website, that is netbeans.org. Here you can see the NetBeans download button. Click here. And there is a message that Apache NetBeans 11.0 is just released. So we will going to try to download NetBeans 11. Click on download. After that there is number of options, but there is one more message, that is Apache NetBeans 11 is available for download from closest Apache mirror. For this release, no official installer is provided. Please download the binary or unzip them. So I'm going to download the bin link, that NetBeans 11 bin zip file. Click on this file, and here you can see number of sites, number of links where you can download it. I just prefer the first link, so I'm going to click on it, and will show me the message that I already downloaded this, so I'm not going to show you complete downloading. So I just click on OK, and now this window show me that where that particular downloaded file exists, and now I'm going to open that particular directory so that we can start with the installation. Okay, here is our downloaded file, that is NetBeans 11.0 bin zip file. Now I am going to extract this file, extract here. It will take some time. Do 98, 99 and 100. Here we go. Now this is our directories which is extracted from a particular zip file. Now we have to go with the bin directory. Here we have two NetBeans executable files. First one is for 32-bit operating system, and second one is for 64 operating system. Now just click on this file. Then we have the logo of NetBeans, which will be appear in short file. Okay, here is NetBeans. This is a new kind of logo, and the line of loading is moving with a good speed. And you or something it's going to install or set up its environment. Okay, now this is our new window of NetBeans IDE. Click on new project, select the Java with Maven application and Java application. Click OK. Now we didn't get any new button after that. Okay, let it be cancelled. Go to tools and options. Let me check. Java is still there, and now again go to tools, go to plugins. Okay, now thing is here. Now check on installed. Okay, this is the main problem with main setup, that all these tools are deactivated by default. Now we have to enable or activate all these tools or plugins like Java, SC, PHP, and HTML5 and base. And let me check all of these one by one. Okay, now all checked, and click on activate. Now click on next, accept the license agreement, and click on install. It will fetch all the data from internet, so internet is also required. Whenever we work, okay, click on expand activate all these properties. When we install NetBeans, then by default all the plugin activities are disabled and we have to enable those plugin activities manually. Sometimes few activities are enabled and we can do the kind of work, but by default major activities are disabled. It will take time to be installed. Fetching the data from internet all depend upon your internet speed. I'm getting a message like Java C library. Okay, we will check it later. Wait, installing. Okay, now it is all done and all these plugins are installed properly activated, and click on finish. And now all are green except the last one. It is installed already, so it doesn't get any issue for us. Click on close. Now let me see the message. Okay, let it be installed. Click on that particular link. It will be installed automatically. Click on next. Downloading the file. And it is almost there, and click on okay. Now click on this button. Now let me check with new project what we have in new NetBeans. Okay, there are in Java with Maven and some other properties. Over there we have some samples of Java, FX and all. So let me go with Java Maven and Java application. Click on next. Now provide the name of your project, like I'm giving my channel name with some postfix NetBeans. Okay, now write some package or group ID. It should be in small letters. Group ID with small letter, and it automatically has the package. And click on finish. Now it will take some time to fetching and adjusting with the new environment. Okay, now we have on the left side the project, our project StudyWire, and it has some folders in it. Okay, that's good. And some process is undergoing in the back side of this NetBeans. It is a kind of natural process. It will take little time. Okay, leave it as it is, no problem. No issue with our working front work. Let it minimize. Okay, this is my package, and in this package I am making a class. The class name. I'm providing it. Okay, there is a message. Let me see. Okay, it should be in a class. I didn't select the package over. Now I'm making it another unit class. Okay, here we have our package. I was saying that class name should be provided in package rather than the default package. Now it is the class name StudyWire. Click on finish, and here we have our class. And let me put main method, which is missing in our class. P is small, public static void and main. With parentheses we have to put string in it. String, square brackets, arguments, and now system out print ln s out, and press control space. It will complete with a sentence. Hello Okay, now we have string message. Now I'm going to execute it. It is notes there. First of all, save this file, and now right click on that file and click on run. It will take some time because the new NetBeans IDE fetching the data, even data from internet, because I made Java with Maven. So it will take a little more time by fetching the data, because in our this project we have form file. You can see form.xml file on the right side. So it is just fetching the data from internet for some libraries. Okay, here we have a message, hello message. So that's all friends. Now please keep watching my channel and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you.